Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Mercari app works, what features it offers, and whether it's worth using if you're looking to buy or sell secondhand items conveniently. We'll cover its strengths, potential drawbacks, and how it compares to other platforms in the resale space. Mercari is a marketplace app designed to let users buy and sell items with ease. Unlike some peer-to-peer selling apps that require in-person meetups, Mercari allows you to ship items, making transactions contactless and straightforward. To start selling, you simply upload photos, write a brief description, set a price, and list the item. Mercari will then suggest shipping options and calculate the cost for you. Buyers can use the app to browse categories, make offers, or buy instantly. Once a purchase is made, sellers ship the item, and payment is released once the buyer confirms the item was received in acceptable condition. One of Mercari's most appealing features is its simplified shipping system. The app provides prepaid shipping labels, and you can choose from USPS, FedEx, or UPS. It also offers a unique feature called Mercari Local, available in select areas, which uses third-party drivers to handle local deliveries without face-to-face contact. Another strong point is the app's buyer and seller protections. Both parties are rated after a transaction, and Mercari steps in for disputes if needed. However, there are a few cons to keep in mind. Mercari charges a 10% selling fee, plus a 2.9% plus $0.5 payment processing fee, which can add up compared to some competitors. Also, buyers only have 3 days to inspect and rate an item, which may be limiting in certain cases. Some users also report that customer service can be slow, especially during high traffic seasons. Overall, Mercari is a solid platform if you're looking to declutter and make some money or shop secondhand without leaving your home. The app is easy to navigate, listing takes just a few minutes, and the built-in shipping system makes the process efficient. While fees are a factor to consider, the app's convenience and protections offer a fair trade-off for many users. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.